Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Toyota 86 GT, stock reference number 5507. The shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2016. It has an FA 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. A set of 3 aftermarket Hustler 18-inch alloy mags, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front door has 3 small dents, boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch aftermarket Hustler alloy mag, sold as a set of 3, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch Hustler alloy mag with good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.